Alright guys, today I'm going to give you some coaching on how to make hard calls, how to tell clients what you need them to hear without them canceling on you. The first hard call that's hard to make is when the client's cost to close a deal went up. A lot of us are afraid to make that call, and we make that call under non-confident circumstances. So what you want to do is be confident in knowing why the fees went up. And when you make that hard call, don't jump right into it. Talk to the client about their day, about their family, about their life, about how they're doing. Then say, hey, can I talk to you? They'll say sure, once they're not on the defense. You let them know the cost is going to be higher than anticipated, but here's the reasons why, and you'll see what you can do before closing to soften the blow. Now, whether you can get an exception or some help from the company or not, that is set to be seen. But you want to at least let them know you're going to try before closing to move that cost back down. So you got to make a hard call about fees, talk to the client about themselves, tell them why the cost went up, and let them know you do the best you can to soften it before closing.